Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice trigonometric equation. So we have tan sine theta plus cos theta equals to 1 over 5, and we find the value of tan theta. So the very first step we are going to do is, first we need to take squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as in this form. We have, this is sine theta plus cos of theta, and its whole square is equals to 1 over 5 and its whole square. So further, we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this formula, we expand the left hand side of the above equation as in this form. This will be written as sine square theta plus 2 times of sine theta into cos of theta plus cos theta and its whole square is equals to 1 over 5, and 1 square equals to 1 and 5 square is equals to 25. So further in the next step we use here, there are two nice trigonometric formulas. So you know about that. If we have sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and the second trigonometric formula which we can apply here is 2 sine theta into cos of theta is equals to sine 2 theta. So this is the double angle identity. So we use these two formulas to the above equation to simplify the terms. So you see that we have, this is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 plus this is 2 sine theta cos theta equals to sine of 2 theta by applying the double angle identity, and here we have, this is 1 divided by 25. And now further in the next step we move the term plus 1 to the right hand side, and we get sine of 2 theta equals to 1 divided by 25 minus 1. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and here we take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 25. So this 25 and this 25 are gone, and we get here 1 minus 25. And now in the next step we have sine of 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 25 is equals to minus 24 divided by 25. So here we use another trigonometric formula in which we convert this double angle identity into the tangent form. And you know about that, if we have sine of 2 theta, that is equals to 2 times of tan x, or 2 times of tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so we write here sine 2 theta into the tangent form, and now we write here the above equation as in this form. So further we have, we write the above equation as 2 times of tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to minus 24 divided by 25. And further in the next step here we first write this equation into the simplified form or lowest form, and for this we will just take a little bit substitution here, and we take x is equals to tan theta. So when you take x equals to tan theta, then our above equation is written as 2x divided by 1 plus x square is equals to minus 24 divided by 25. So further in the next step here we need to cross multiply the terms, and now first we multiply 25 times of 2x, and this will be written as 25 multiplied by 2x is equals to, here 1 plus x square is multiplied by this term, and it will becomes 24 is minus 24 is multiplied by 1 plus x square. So now in the next step here we need more simplifications, and this will be written as 25 times of 2 becomes 50x is equals to, here we multiply minus 24 separately on both of these two values, and we get minus 24 minus 24 times of x square. So further in the next step, we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and this will be written as this is minus 24x square becomes plus 24x square, and we have this is 50x, and this is again becomes plus 24, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we need more simplification, and you see that each of these terms is divisible by 2, so we divide each of these terms separately by 2 on both of the sides. So we have this is 2 times of 12 becomes 24, and we get this is 12 times of x square, plus from here we have 2 times of 25 becomes 50, and we get 25x, plus this is again 2 times of 12 becomes 24, and we get 12 is equals to 0. And now you see here, after little bit substitution or simplification, we convert our given radical equation into the quadratic form. And you know that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the factorization technique to solve this problem, and for this first we break its middle term, and it will be written as 12 times of x square, plus we write this 25x as 16x plus 9x, and plus 12 is equals to 0. And now here from first two terms we will be take common 4x, and when we take common 4x we get the remaining values are 4 times 3 becomes 12 into we take common x and we get only 1x, plus from here we get 4 only, and from these two terms we take common 3 and we get the remaining values are 3x plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that both of these two terms involve 3x plus 4 factor, so we take it common here and we get the remaining values are 3x plus 4 into 4x plus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write 3x plus 4 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. From this case we easily get the value of x. So first we move plus 4 to the right hand side and we get minus 4, and further we divide both of the sides by 3 and we get this 3 and this 3 are gone, and we get here x is equals to minus 4 divided by 3. So this is the value of x which we get here. And now further we simplify this term and we get the other value of x, and we get 4x is equals to minus 3, and from here we get the value of x is equals to minus 3 over 4. So as we move backward and in the start of the problem we will be take here our x is equals to tan theta, and we put this value of x on both of these two cases and we obtain there are two values of tan theta. The first value is minus 3 over 4, and the second value of tan theta is minus 4 over 3. So we get these are the two roots of the given equation. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.